Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to create meeting minutes in OneNote. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Creating meeting minutes in OneNote in Windows 11 is a straightforward process. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you. Launch the OneNote app on your Windows 11 PC. If you already have a notebook dedicated to meeting minutes, go ahead and open it. Otherwise, you can't create a new notebook by clicking on File, click New, this PC name, your new note, then hit Create Notebook. Within the notebook, create a new page where you'll take the meeting minutes. Click on the plus page button. At the top of the page, click the meeting details. Add details about the meeting, including the title, date, time, location, attendees, and agenda. You can format this information as you see fit, such as using headings, bullet points, or tables. During the meeting, use the page to take notes. You can type directly into the page, paste text from other sources, or even insert image, files, or links relevant to the discussion. After the meeting, review your notes to ensure accuracy and completeness. Make any necessary edits or additions. Once you're satisfied, save your changes. Now, let's share the meeting with relevant stakeholders, such as attendees and those responsible for action items. You can do this by exporting the page as PDF, sharing the notebook via OneDrive, or sending a link to the page directly from OneNote. So to share the link, click on the Share, then go to Manage, go to Links, then go to Create, then click on this, and in this section, you can share the link with anyone or specific people. You can also set the link for what actions they can do once they access the link, and more settings. Now hit Apply. Just follow the prompts to get the link. And now you can send the link in any platforms. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.